What is up, guys? How we doing today? We are back. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's about to get shitty outside. So, well, first, people on the East Coast here. I don't know about everybody else, wherever you're watching from. Hopefully, it's not just here in PA. But we're about to get a shitstorm, it looks like. So I figured I'd come down and do some work on the car and make a short little video just to keep a little update going on. So, as you can see here, Sinister is up in here, and we are missing stuff with them nowhere to be seen. So, yeah, wheels are gone. So, don't know what that means. I don't know what's gonna go on. You don't know what's gonna go on. Blah blah blah. But we might find out in the future. So today, what I need to do is I'm going to get started on. I think I don't know yet. I do know I'm going to do this though. So this here, as you've seen in the last video, is my trunk setup. So I need to get rid of all this. All this is going. So gonna be a little time consuming trying to figure out how everything's laid in there, and it is all wood and everything like that. So it's gonna be a little heavy to get out. This is all on there, so I gotta peel everything up, you know, disconnect the joints we have here, and then pull this all out. So it shouldn't take too long, but it's just gonna be a little time consuming. So I gotta go slow. I don't want to break anything, and you know I gotta peel it up right. So, but that's pretty much what this is gonna be today. Is just me taking this out. Just a short little video. Like I said, I wanted to bring you guys along with everything I was doing on it step by step, see where everything goes. So yeah, this is actually, I have a nice little new light here I got. Oh, that definitely, yeah, that Jesus, look bright as hell. So actually see down in the whole car there. Tank's down in there. It just slopes that way. I don't know, I'll probably get a better look now that I have a light. How everything looks. I already took the fiberglass or the plexiglass out and everything like that, but it just ran down that way. Air tank's there, obviously. So, but got some plans for the bar there. So I might try to get with that today. Might try to. Oh boy, got a flash setting now. Cool. Might try to do what I want to do with that, but first things first is definitely going to be just getting this out of the way. Getting that stuff out of there, and then we can see where we're gonna go with it. Yeah. I guess there's no time like the present to get it snapping, so not much excitement in this video, probably. Might be, I don't know by the end, but you'll see once we get this out. It'll be cool to see what I had set up previously. I didn't have anything, but what I left in there is kind of gonna tie in with what's going on. And I get to take a look at my placement on what else I need to put in the trunk. So, yeah. But, man, can't believe it's going. Well, bigger and better things, I suppose. So, let's get started. We'll peel this up, take this off, unscrew these, pull these out, get everything else, and then see if we can try to separate easily. And then I gotta find a place to store it. So, let's get to it. Alright. Subs are out. Just little 10s. Easy peasy. I just gotta figure out where to put them. This is going to be the fun part, because this here, well, maybe not, for the most part. I sealed it down with adhesive glue and everything like that, but it seems like nothing's really attached to it anymore, so it actually might not be that bad. But got to get this off first, because the two pieces that are connected, this is one flat piece here, and then the front's another flat piece that me and Joel helped me cut, and God, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is right now. Router it and everything like that to fit the pieces. So see if we can lift this up a little bit and try to get the flag out here and fold it up nice and neat. See where we can go. Correction. 3 pieces. It's actually 3 pieces to slide this in nice and neat, which you'll never know because the flag's over it. So it actually kind of came out decent. I completely forgot about that. So yeah, actually made into 3 pieces, as you can see here. So then we were able to just pick up and slide as we, did everything that we needed to do to fit. And then you can see there is the other seam. Oh, a leaf. So should just be able to, yeah, so you got some adhesive there, just gonna have to pull off. I actually might be able to leave it on that since it's just one piece. If I can fold that up there, that'll be really nice and neat. So we'll see what happens. So we're free of that. So now this should, I wonder if we're gonna have to take this off first. Yep, shit. All right, big piece is gonna have to come off first, unfortunately, because we have these tucked under there. So I have to, yeah, I take this off first. You see it's loose now, so I'm gonna try to jimmy that out that door or try to turn it and pull it backwards. So let's see how that goes. She's a little dirty. She's a little dirty. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, bright light. So here's what we got. So this is our base that we put in here. Really fairly simple. Just kind of built around just so we had something to lay on. So if I'm not mistaken, this should pull right out. I think I might have to undo one thing, but I can't remember again. It's been over a year since we did this, obviously. So, but there you can see. It's the trunk setup we have. Stuff's kind of scattered right now because when we put it in, I unscattered stuff. But I did, when I mounted everything, I did kind of a half-decent design the way I wanted to do. Like these come down in here, they're crisscrossed. This is just laying there. But I mean, everything's kind of coiled up. Power bricks down here. So everything's kind of decently neat. I'm going to get back in here. I'm going to, refasten everything the way it was. We'll probably wrap these up and everything in black just to cover them. And probably route them down, maybe tie around in with these. Now that I've learned a couple more things about keeping stuff nice and neat, I might coil those up and actually just kind of zip tie them along with that, whatever may be. But yeah, let's give you a look at the front here. So, got the air management system there. Everything's nice and neat. It's just nice, clean, sitting there. Tanks installed on the wall, kind of sideways. Like I said, yeah, everything's decently neat put in here. So, a couple screws loose here and there. But yeah, this shouldn't be hard to get out. I say that now, but so we'll take a look, and once we got this piece out, then I'll continue on with what's what, and see if we can take a look at these harness bars and see about what I want to do with them. Maybe we'll try to get to them today. So let's get this wood piece out and see what happens. Alright guys, we're back. I found what I was looking for. So hardware here, oh, it's a little dark. And then we got the bars here. So nobody's ever seen a harness bar, which I'm probably sure most of you have. That's easily gonna go right into there with the bolts. So just put that in there. And then I got to figure out my length and where I want to go, which that looks like that might end up being perfect for what I want. So, I don't know. I'm going to get these bolted up in here. Take a look, maybe extend them out a little bit. But what I'm going to have to do is, once I get these bolted up in there, I'm going to take these, and obviously they have the more bolts on the bottom because they're actually supposed to go, technically, in here where your seatbelt in the bottom goes and the harness bar goes like that. So that's actually how it's supposed to go. Now in the Velo, I can't get to that for shit. The harness bar in the Velo, the only way to do one is actually you get a universal one and flip-flop. They're actually different on both sides. This one's lengthwise like it should be. The other one's folded back in because of the Velos being the 3-door. So if anybody's never seen a Veloster, which I'm pretty sure you have, a lot of people don't like them, but you have 2 doors on this side and then just one big door on the other side. So you can see where my pillar is here compared to where my pillar is there. There's a big difference. Longer door on that side, shorter doors on this side. So they don't make harness bars for this, but we made it work. So for what I'm gonna do, these aren't going to serve a purpose, but for what I want them to do. So they're not really made going to do anything. So I'm going to take them from there, like I said, down to there. With the bottoms of these, because they're supposed to go in a hole, I'm going to probably take and make an L bracket and weld that into the floor. So then I can run a bolt through there and attach that. And that'll give me the base for what I'm going to design in here. So I think that'll work out perfectly. And then I'm just gonna, 2 other things are gonna go along with the harness bar, but I need it facing this way. Again, yeah, in here, you guys will see it come together as it comes together. So let me get these bolted up. I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna sit down in there. And I think that might be it for today. I know it's a short, sweet video. I'm either gonna upload this like this now, or I'm gonna just include the harness bar along with this video. So if that's the case, then I'll go through, come back in tomorrow, and we'll weld up some brackets, and then this will be the whole video and you'll see it. So it's a little shambled right now. The couple parts here that I'm doing is nothing really big. But again, like I said, I wanted to take you guys along with me and go through every step that we're doing, see everything. So, you know, yeah, if it's short and sweet and kind of boring, it is what it is. But hey, you know, I documented it. It's what I wanted to do. So, and if you liked it, then cool. Hey, if not, hey, either way. So, get these mounted up. I'll see what goes there. And then we'll figure it out. But I promise in the future, as these videos keep rolling, it's going to get better and better and better. These things here, just kind of the little tedious things that need to be done, but hey, serves a purpose and you will see. So I'm gonna get these mounted up and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right, guys, bars are in, as you can see here. No one's over there. Now I just need to figure out where I'm going to place them exactly, if I want to go back a little further, how much of an angle that I really want. I have the idea of what I'm going to do. I have to place a person in here and figure stuff out, so I'll get that figured up. And then it's just welding the plates on. Making the plates, I'm going to make it like I said, make an L bracket for it so that I can just, you know, put a bracket here, make it up this way, you know, so this L, and then I can bolt that right into the side of it, and then do the rest of the stuff that I'm going to do on there. So, secret. But yeah, I'm going to get that finished up and figure it out. I'm probably going to do the plates tomorrow, so. But that's going to be it for today. So hopefully this video was long enough. It's probably going to be a little short, but hey, you know, short and sweet videos aren't bad necessarily every now and then. So, yeah. Sorry, just so much running through my head right now because everything's coming to fruition. I just had Sal here, which was awesome. We talked about one of the big things that I'm going to change up on this, and he's going to help me out with what I need done with that, and he said it is possible, and we'll make it work. So I'm very, very excited about that. It's definitely going to be something that you guys are going to be surprised about and hopefully really, really like. I mean, I'm excited about it, so I guess, you know, one way or the other, whatever. But, yeah. I'm going to get these plates done tomorrow. So next video we come back to, I don't know yet. Honestly, it's kind of day by day with availability of who comes up, you know, because I got a couple people helping me on it, don't get me wrong. I got to build some stuff, and some other stuff needs to get done that I can't do. So whenever the availability comes up and whoever's coming first or whatever, then we'll play it off. We'll play it by ear on what videos are coming next. So, but as always, guys, you know, appreciate you coming along on this journey. This is definitely gonna be one for the books. I'm hoping to pull it off the way I've always seen it, and hoping you guys are excited about it. So keep watching. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys watching this. As always, I hope you guys have a great night. Take care. I'll see you guys later.